Simple Mobile provides several easy ways to monitor your data usage and avoid overage charges. The primary methods are through the Simple Mobile app, the online portal, and automated alerts. The online portal, accessible at simplemobile.com, offers similar features and is ideal for desktop users. Finally, enable alerts in the app settings to receive notifications via text or in-app when you reach a certain data threshold. To manage your data effectively, start by monitoring high data apps like Netflix. These streaming services can consume large amounts of data quickly. Switch to Wi-Fi whenever possible to avoid using your mobile data allowance. Enable data saving modes on your device to automatically reduce data usage. This can limit background app updates and compress images, helping you stay within your data limits. Be aware of Simple Mobile's overage charges at 10 cents per megabyte. Exceeding your data plan can quickly add up in costs, so monitoring your usage regularly is essential to avoid surprises. For accurate data usage information, refresh the Simple Mobile app or online portal regularly. Network congestion can sometimes cause delays in updating your usage statistics. Take advantage of AI-driven features in the app that analyze your usage patterns to predict when you'll deplete your data allowance. This helps you plan ahead and avoid overages. For sustainability, switch to offline modes when possible. This not only conserves your data, but also reduces energy consumption by minimizing network activity. With increasing 5G adoption worldwide, future updates will likely include more granular data tracking features. This will give you even better insights into your usage patterns. Don't forget to utilize your phone's built-in settings for data management. These work alongside the Simple Mobile app to give you comprehensive control over your usage.